So I'm prepping the fireplace now. You want to make sure that you give it all a nice vacuum. Get all the dust bunnies out. All right, mantle's on the ground. Fireplace is cleaned. So I went ahead and vacuumed up everything. And then I'll probably go ahead and start wiping the bricks down, the spray bottle and rag. All right, so what you're gonna need for this project, you're gonna need a bucket to mix the paint and water mixture, a stir stick, drop cloth to keep things clean. You'll need an extra paintbrush if you wanna get in to the mortar and stuff. Painter's tape. You're gonna need the actual Limewash. So I chose Romabio Avorio White Limewash. So this is a concentrated paint. I'll be mixing it in the bucket with some water. You'll need a masonry brush. So this is used for painting brick, nice and thick. Some extra rags, and then you'll need a spray bottle to give it the antique look. All right, the concentrate is in there, and I will be adding 16 to 32 ounces of clean water mixed in with it and stirring for about 10 minutes. Top layer, no going back. Make sure you clean off the soot because it definitely turned parts of it yellow. So in my opinion, if you wait a day for the stuff to kind of dry more, it's actually easier to wipe off and distress. Because I did it about, an hour after I had painted it. It was very hard to get, pieces off of the spray bottle. So again, I'm in here, I think it's actually 2 days later, and this stuff's wiping off real nice. So I'm going back through and doing some distressing. What happened was, as I painted the top, I went through and made sure to paint all the grout lines. But then later I decided the bottom half I liked better, where I didn't paint most of the grout lines. So I'm trying to go back and get some of that grout out. But again, this is how things kind of panned out. See, I like the bottom more where it's darker. So I'm going back through up here and getting some of those grout lines cleaned out.